Hey there, it's Kylie with WTI. And if you have a dog, you know it's important to have water on you at all times when you take them out for a hike or a walk. So in comes this MalsiPree dog water bottle, which I have found to be an awesome, lightweight water bottle that's perfect for my pup. This portable water bottle is very easy to use. You just fill up the bottle and attach the dispenser, and there you go. When you're ready for your pup to take a drink, you just push the button here and it dispenses the water. I have a larger dog. She's about 54 pounds, and I find that the built-in bowl is perfect for her size. The capacity in this water bottle is 12 ounces, which is great for short hikes or playtime in the park. This water bottle is leak proof and there's a lock mechanism, so if the bottle bounces around on my walks, I don't have to worry about spilling water all over me. The wristband makes it easy to carry, and I love how this fits in my cup holder. I think my favorite thing about this bottle is I can actually put the water back that my dog doesn't drink. This way I don't have to waste any water on our hikes. This dog water bottle by MalsiPree is really a game changer when it comes to giving my dog water on a hike. It's lightweight and convenient, and overall just a must-have for your pup. And that's our point of view.